There is nothing admirable in the obstructive ways of the respective parties, and they are both given to retrospective wisdom, You know your objective, and you see how necessary a knowledge of perspective will be, if you are to please the executive, They were one and all advised to give up their destructive ways, and to repair the defective property, The speaker said we were all and each respectively liable to prosecution, if our counsel was productive of trouble, The subjective test was by no means properly taken, and we shall ask the executive to insist upon a more thorough examination, irrespective of the teacher's opinion, The sketch shows the man's possession of taste, but it also proves his defective knowledge of perspective and a lack of training,